So I'm down here in the West Country today, Bristol, and I've been invited here by Simpson and Partners and Wevo to look at these new chargers in their business line and how Wevo integrates seamlessly with the solar and the chargers.
So I hooked up with Chaz to see what these chargers were all about.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
So let's see what Mandy and David from Simpson and Partners and Effie from Wevo had to say.
I'm Mandy Simpson, got 5 jewels. Over there, 2 jewels. They're looking good. Panels on the building match the kind of styling that we've got running down the chargers, which is brilliant.
EV charging always felt very utilitarian to me. Why should charging sort of stand out with a very sort of ugly bit of architectural furniture? You know, I think if you see here, it sort of fits with the buildings.
And we kind of like use the inspiration from nature, we use inspiration from architecture.
There's a misconception it's, you know, really expensive. We make, you know, high quality that's affordable.
We've launched the business series 3-4 months ago, and we've been quietly building a nice reputation. So that's our wall mount, that's our freestanding 22 kilowatt, 7 kilowatt, everything you could possibly want under the sun.
You know, I always think you want to make it as good inside as it is outside. So when we design them, we thought of installers first, daisy chaining that make it easy to put power in and out, make sure you can put Ethernet in and out. I think it's really important that we have things like RCBO switching. Each one's individually controlled. We use really high quality Proteus switch gear in there.
They connect with solar panels, it's OCPP.
My name is Efixx and I'm the Managing Director for UK and Europe for Wevo. Wevo is a CPMS, charge point management system. We are hardware agnostic and based on OCPP. The core of our solution is energy optimization. This is a brilliant case study of what we do. We are on a site with multiple chargers, really good generation, a mix of employee charging and visitor charging, because these chargers here are going to have multiple purposes. We are based on an open standard. We can connect with all the great hardware. So Simpson and Partners, SolarEdge inverters, you can pick and choose the best and bring them all. With Wevo, you can always bring the best parts together. It's a cloud-based platform. On the back end, the operator can choose the settings. For example, on a sunny day, you can only charge by sun, so pretty much off-grid. Yeah? But later in the night or on not so sunny day, you can have it more flexible, so you charge by a mix of local generation plus grid.
So I got a chance to look at this Wevo back office for this Dick Lovett site, and I was really impressed with the simplicity of the portal. And being one who loves a bit of data, you can really get the granular detail of the chargers, generation and the usage across the whole of the site.
So what do I really think about these chargers from Simpson and Partners? Well, I think we can all agree that they look quality and premium. Their integration with Wevo is another great step as well. Wevo is a really clever OCPP platform that can handle multiple charges, AC and DC. It can integrate your solar and battery and send energy to where it's needed, and it's really easy to set up. And with Wevo backed by SolarEdge, you know that it's got the manufacturing backing behind it. I've really enjoyed my time down here in Bristol and cannot wait to see the next line of products which are going to come out of Simpson and Partners. But from me, it's bye-bye for now.